Hello, my name is Cody. I'm a composer and a music teacher. I give numbers a 4 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. I tried Excel, but I had some trouble with the formatting. The formatting wasn't easy enough to understand. I chose numbers and went to numbers because I liked the templates that they had already prepared on there. They have a bunch of different templates for a bunch of different fields, including list building templates, which I use a lot. Some of the formatting with the cells was a lot easier to do and to understand, and just the flow of the spreadsheets were better in my opinion using numbers. Well, with numbers, it's pretty easy to download. Nowadays, you have to download a lot of apps through the app stores. Uh, Now it's available on the Mac App Store, which you can go there uh, if you're on a Mac, of course, and just put numbers in the search bar. It'll come up. You click it. It'll download to your applications folder within about a couple of minutes. And when you first open it, it'll say "Welcome to Numbers," and it'll give you a quick overview of what the features are in the Numbers application, and then you can click Continue, and then it'll come up with a Start menu where you have these pre-done templates that you can choose from, or you can choose a blank one, or you can make your own. And once you're in the application with your own template, you can actually click File and Save As Template, and it'll come up on your My Templates that you've used, and you can access it anytime. I would recommend Numbers because for those who are new to maybe the Mac operating system or spreadsheet applications, Numbers actually breaks down all the formats and all the processes under the hood so that you can get started creating worksheets on the fly. Uh, other spreadsheet programs can sometimes be a little intimidating, but Numbers really makes it easy.